Let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 360, a slim and gorgeous two-in-one that can help you work, play, and create with ease. Now, this is the third generation of Samsung's Galaxy Book line, so let's start with what makes this latest upgrade so significant. Well, the 13th gen Intel i7 processor boasts faster speeds than previous generations, as well as support for Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 6E, plus built-in Intel Iris Xe graphics. You're also getting a bigger, better battery, up to 18 hours of battery life, in fact, with a lightweight and super fast charger that'll get you 40% of your battery life back in 30 minutes. Now, somehow, through some technical wizardry, Samsung has made the Galaxy Book 3 360 available as a 15.6-inch device while still staying as thin as 0.54 inches at its thickest point. Truly, you just need to see this device in person to believe just how thin and light it is. And you can choose the device that matches your personal style with either a silver or graphite finish. The jump to Galaxy Book 3 360 also adds an additional port, a micro SD card slot for expanding your storage. So who is the Galaxy Book 3 360 for? Well, if you're looking for a device that allows you to flex your curiosity, explore your passions, and tackle your projects in whatever way and wherever you see fit, this convertible device fits the bill. It's perfect for anyone looking for a design-forward laptop that still provides versatility and functionality. And support for the Samsung S Pen means you've got more than a touchscreen. Your Galaxy Book 3 360 can become a comfortable drawing and writing tablet in a snap. Now, there is a special bonus you get if you are fully invested in the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. So if you pair your Galaxy Book 3 360 with a Galaxy tablet and a Galaxy phone, you enter the Galaxy Connected Experience. This unlocks experiences like multi-control and second screen, where your tablet or phone become an extended display for your Galaxy Book 3 360, with mouse and keyboard controlled by your laptop. Photos taken on your Galaxy phone are auto-transferred via Wi-Fi Direct right over to your Galaxy Book 3 360, so you can go from shooting to editing seamlessly. In fact, files can be easily and securely transferred with any Galaxy device using Quick Share and Private Share. You even get simple and harmonious device pairing to your Galaxy Buds. And if you're upgrading from an older Galaxy Book, you can get started in a snap with Galaxy Book Smart Switch to transfer content to your new device. And honestly, that's just barely scratching the surface. There's a wealth of benefits, features, and tools that come from the Galaxy Connected Experience. So there you have it. The Galaxy Book 3 360, well, it's a perfect device for anyone looking for an on-the-go, thin, light, and frankly, gorgeous convertible device.